Guys, from today I am starting my first ever vlog for the YouTube channel. अभी तक आप मेरे shorts देखते थे and I wanted to start it in Garba to share with you what's the vibe of Ahmedabad city in Garba. So I went to Love Garden to make a shoot of the street and the current vibe कि अभी गरबा चालू हो गया है. Still people have so much of craze of shopping and that's the most busiest street in Ahmedabad. So this is one of the exhibitions on this Love Garden road. You can see like all kind of clothes, all kind of jewelry and almost everything in handloom, bags, jewelry, even like this is the puja shop. You can get everything related to your puja and everything. Then small decoration pieces for your house, wooden में, electronics में, and a lot of things to try out in snacks, Gujarati snacks, then lot of achar because Gujarat is also known for pickles. So this was one of the best counters out of all. Everything that you are now gonna see till the end of the video is on this counter is of 20 rupees per piece. So कोई भी कांच की bottle, any utensil of ceramic, any utensil in steel or plastic, or any and everything that is available in this section, which is currently you can see on your screen, per piece the cost was only 20 rupees. Can you see? Only 20 rupees. This section was ultimate. Everything that I saw here was of use. आप घर पे यूज़ कर सकते हो एंड इट वॉज़ वैल्यू फॉर मनी, हाईली रिकमेंडेड. अगर आप अहमदाबाद में हो देन डू चेक आउट दिस एग्जीबिशन. ये 27 अक्टूबर तक है बिकॉज बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ एंड बिगनिंग ऑफ नवंबर वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिवाली ऑल्सो and everybody is shopping for Diwali at the same time. So you can just have a look. Everything related to your kitchen was affordable, and not only kitchen, they had a decent stationery section also जहाँ पे books, notebooks और बच्चों के लिए cute stickers, pen, pencil, छोटे pouches to carry in the school, and lot of things in stationery also they had, which was of worth only 20 rupees per piece. Lot of cute things like keychain and pouches and even disposable 100 pieces ka spoon, cups and plates were of 20 rupees. So a lot of things you can pick it up even if you are gifting in Diwali or so, and otherwise also like for your necessities you can have a look. I have tried to cover everything that was possible over there, and I really liked the exhibition and the things. They were value for the money. You can see this plastic section, everything was of 20 rupees. So you can just visit there and you can find your worth thing, and you can enjoy your Diwali shopping over here, or your must needed home requirement things you can purchase from here. ये वाला जो section था, it was pure ceramic section, like, but this was little costly. The things over here are handmade, pure ceramic things. So this section जो एकदम ही एग्जीबिशन ख़त्म होने का लास्ट काउंटर था was bit costly for me, but then you can see everything over there was a piece of decor. ये लास्ट का एक छोटा सा क्लिपिंग है. दिस इज़ द थर्ड गरबा, Saturday night, but I have started playing the Garba from this night. You can see there is a small decoration that was being done, followed with a small arrangement of food also. So this arrangement was being done for 40-50 girls, and snacks में था टिक्की छोले, 2 चटनी and arbita pasta, white pasta, cold drink, I would rate a decent food with decent arrangements. And आरती की हमने up till 4, I think 3:30 or 4 in the morning we played Garba, and it was such an amazing experience. In Gujarat, Garba is not just a tradition of dance, but it is like the way you connect to your God. You feel soulful when you play Garba, because it has been done as an dedicated to Ambe Mata and other devis in Gujarat. And it was so magnificent to be a part of this event. I really enjoyed a lot, and I hope आपको ये वीडियो देख के you would have also enjoyed.